Dear students and viewers, I welcome you all today in my class. I hope you are keeping well by the grace of Almighty God. This class has been designed especially for the students of class 9 and 10. Dear learners, now I will show you some slides. Look at the slides. We eat so that we can live. What we are going to discuss today, can you gauge? I know you can gauge it well. Completing sentence. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, we will be able to identify the definition of completing sentence, identify the method of completing sentence, complete incomplete sentences. Dear learners, do you know what is a completing sentence? I think you know it very well, but for your kind information, I want to discuss it once again. He goes to school. He goes school so that he can learn something. He goes to school. This is not an example of completing sentence. He goes to school so that he can learn something. This is a right thing about completing sentence, and this sentence is correct. It is not a completing, it is a filling in the gap. He goes to school, and the sentence, he goes to school so that he can learn something. It is a completing sentence. The definition is when a part of a sentence is completed with a clause or phrase is called a completing sentence. Completing item 1. Look at the picture. This man is very old and weak. Use of to plus adjective or adverb plus to plus verb plus extension. To verb plus extension. The man is to dash. Here you can use old to walk. The structure is here to plus adjective or adverb plus to plus verb plus extension. Complete the following sentence. This is for your homework. Note: completed part must be underlined. Completed part must be underlined. Completing item 2. Use of 2 plus adjective or adverb plus for plus personal object plus to plus verb plus extension. You can see a picture of a cup of hot tea. The tea is too hot for me. Here, me is an example of personal object. Me dash to drink. This complete the following sentences, and this item is designed for your homework. Completing item 3. Use of so ... that. She was so ill that she could not study at all. Formation. Given clause with so ... that plus relevant sentence. Completing item 4. Completing item 4. Use of so or in order that. Formation. Given clause with so, that or in order that plus subject plus can or could or may or might plus verb plus extension. Be prepared so that dash. He reads attentively so that dash. He can make a good result. Be prepared so that you can make a good result. Activities. This is for your homework. The farmers sow seeds, good seeds, so that dash. He walked fast in order that dash. We eat vegetables so that dash. They play well in order that dash. He was so weak that dash. Completing item 5. Use of provided or provided that or providing that. In Bengali, jodi. The plane will take off in time provided dash weather is good. Normally, present indefinite tense is used after provided or provided that or providing that. Formation. Future indefinite tense plus provided or provided that or providing that plus present indefinite tense. Activities. This is for your homework. These things has been designed for your homework. Number 1. I will go to London provided that dash. Number 2. They will play well provided that dash. Number 3. I will take umbrella providing that dash. He will wait for me provided that provided dash. Number 5. He will shine in life provided that dash. Completing item 6. Use of list. He walks fast list dash. The answer will be he should or might reach in time. Structure: assertive sentence plus list plus subject plus should or might plus V1 plus extension. Complete the sentences. This is for your homework. Number 1, he ran away list. He ran away first list dash. Number 2, read diligently list dash. Number 3, the thief ran quickly list dash. Number 4, go sharp list dash. Number 5, he came to the station quickly list dash. He came to the station quickly list dash. Completing item 7. Use of unless. Unless you work hard, comma dash, you will fail. Complete the following sentences. This is for your homework for the next class. Number 1, unless you read attentively, comma dash. Number 2, unless you start at once, comma dash. Number 3, come at 8 o'clock, unless dash. Number 4, he will not shine in life unless dash. Number 5, unless you respect others, comma dash. Completing item 8. Use of till or until. Completing item 8. Use of till or until. Formation: given clause with till or until plus an affirmative sentence in present indefinite form. Wait until dash the rain stops. The rain stops. Now complete the sentence. This is for your homework. Number 1, wait for me until dash. Number 2, I will teach him till dash. Number 3, he will nurse me until dash. Number 4, I will help him till dash. Number 5, until I come dash. Completing item number 9. Use of as long as. Formation: given clause with as long as plus an affirmative sentence. Wait here as long as dash. The answer will be I come back. Now complete the sentences. This is for your homework. Number 1, Allah will be with us as long as dash. Number 2, he worked as long as dash. Number 3, read as long as dash. Number 4, help him as long as dash. Number 5, I gave him as long as dash. Completing item 10. Use of though, comma although, comma since, comma as, comma because, comma if. Though he is poor, comma dash, he is honest. Since he is poor, comma dash. Complete the sentence. He has to work hard because, comma dash. Complete the sentence. Formation: given clause with though, comma, although, comma, since, comma, as, comma, because, comma, if, comma, plus relevant sentence. Completing item 11. Use of in spite of or despite. In spite of his poverty, comma, dash, he is honest. Formation in spite of or despite plus possessive plus noun plus relevant opposite meaning sentence. Despite his good qualification, dash, completed, dash, despite his innocence, complete it. In spite of trying hard, dash, complete it. Completing item 12. Use of, instead of, or in lieu of. Stray books, logic. Instead of stray, dash, he took logic. Pen and pencil, he bought a pen in lieu of a pencil. He ate fish, dash, completed. Thank you very much. Dear learners, this is a very important thing for you today. Dear learners, have a nice day. You have to stay home because the time is not well at all. Thank you very much for watching my class.